Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 7. We made it to Module 7. This module is a little bit different than the other modules because we don't have any homework packets and there's not even book pages. Instead, we have these documents posted here about healthcare professionals that are going to be the main things to focus on. There's also some articles to read, so make sure you read those. The list of healthcare professionals is the main thing that you want to focus on, and you can also hear them here. You'll need that for the speaking assignment and the quiz. The main thing to be working on for module 7 and 8 is the field specific project. So remember, we talked about this a little bit in module 6, but you need to find someone who's working in the healthcare field, someone who speaks English, and you're going to ask them, what do you do when you get a patient that doesn't speak English, right? You want to ask them, what are their procedures? Ask them to tell you about cultural differences, ask them to tell you what they've done if their procedures didn't work, if there's, a specific patient they remember trying to communicate with, all of that stuff. Okay. 2 to 3 pages in English, double spaced, for the summary of your interview. Summary, not transcription. And then at the end of that, you need your vocab list. You want to ask them what are some words that would be helpful, in this field, and put that list just in English and Spanish as a list at the end. Okay. So only 2 assignments for this module. So the speaking assignment, which you're going to use those list of healthcare professionals, and the quiz. That, and work on the field specific project. That's it. Nos vemos pronto.